Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the MAONOCASTER Lite. You can get this product on Amazon for about $100. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality product and it's a pretty nice size, not too big and not too small. The package comes with a microphone, a USB-C to USB-C data-only cable, a USB-A to USB-C cable, 3 audio cables, and 2 user manuals. The podcast console has a USB-C interface, 3 POD outputs for smartphones, tablets or other devices, an output for speakers or headphones, a music input for background music or audio production, a headset interface and 2 microphone interfaces. Everything feels pretty good, not cheap or wobbly at all. I use the MAONOCASTER with my PC, so setting it up is pretty easy. I just have to connect the microphone to the MAONOCASTER and the MAONOCASTER to my PC. You can easily connect the MAONOCASTER to your PC with a USB cable. The keypad backlight is 6-level adjustable. The podcast console has a Bluetooth connection feature which can be connected to a smartphone for live accompaniment. This part was recorded with the MAONOCASTER and the microphone which was included in the package. The sound quality is a little bit quiet, so I have to turn everything to 100%, including the Windows sound settings. And I have to be pretty close to the microphone. The MAONOCASTER offers several vocal effects. You can use the echo function to make your recordings more epic.
Or you can use the pitch button to change your voice.
The pitch button offers 4 different modes.
Male to female, female to male, girlish voice, and robot.
Every effect is different and makes your recordings more interesting.
The MAONOCASTER has 8 default sound effect buttons. The MAONOCASTER also has 4 custom sound effect buttons. You can record audio clips and import them to the podcast console through a microphone, an external audio source, or Bluetooth device. The denoise mode can automatically reduce the ambient sound from the microphone input. And this is how it sounds without the denoise mode. I tested my recordings with different sound settings and the sound was always better without the denoise mode, so I'm not using it anymore. Instead of the denoise mode, I use different filters in my streaming software and the sound quality is pretty good. I tested the MAONOCASTER Lite for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very nice product. It is very easy to use, very versatile, and it can improve the quality of your live streams or podcasts. The included microphone is not too bad, but I wish it would come with a different mount, maybe an extendable tripod. Besides the mount, it works as expected and is definitely an improvement for my live streams. So if you are looking for an audio interface with DJ mixer and sound card to improve the quality of your live streams and podcasts, I would recommend the MAONOCASTER Lite. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.